What's up guys, Hooman here. I'm back at the beach for another shampoo prank. On the last shampoo prank I told you guys, if the video got a lot of shares and a lot of comments of you guys saying you want to see more shampoo pranks, that I will do it again. So, I'm back at the beach for shampoo prank part 9.
Oh my god! What?
What the f*** is this? Okay. What? What?
There's something up, man! Somebody put in a shampoo inside the shower!
Where's this coming from? Who the fuck is this water too? Are you serious? Oh my god! I don't have time for this shit, man.
Ah, shit, I can't see. Fuck. What the fuck?
He needs some milk!